Hello again, amazing learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You're doing fantastic. We've learned 100 useful words so far. Today we'll explore house and furniture, words you use when talking about your home and the things inside it. Grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's start learning together. House is a building where people live. A house has rooms, windows, and doors. House. Say it with me. House. Room is a part of a building. Rooms can be bedrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. Room. Repeat after me. Room. Door is something you open or close to go in or out of a room. Door. Say it clearly. Door. Window is an opening in a wall with glass. Windows let light into the room. Window. Let's repeat. Window. Floor is the surface you walk on in a room. Floors can be wood, tile, or carpet. Floor. Say it with me. Floor. Ceiling is the top inside part of a room. Ceilings can be high or low. Ceiling. Repeat slowly. Ceiling. Wall is the upright surface in a room. Walls can be painted or covered with pictures. Wall. Say it clearly. Wall. Table is furniture with a flat top. People eat, work, or play on tables. Table. Let's practice. Table. Chair is furniture you sit on. Chairs can have arms or no arms. Chair. Say it with me. Chair. Bed is furniture you sleep on. Beds have pillows and blankets. Bed. Repeat after me. Bed. Sofa is a long, soft seat for several people. Sofas are often in living rooms. Sofa. Say it clearly. Sofa. Cupboard is furniture with doors for storing things. Cupboards can be in kitchens or bedrooms. Cupboard. Let's repeat. Cupboard. Shelf is a flat board for holding books or other things. Shelves can be on walls. Shelf. Say it with me. Shelf. Lamp is a light you use inside a room. Lamps can stand on tables or floors. Lamp. Repeat after me. Lamp. Carpet is a soft covering on the floor. Carpets make rooms warm and quiet. Carpet. Say it clearly. Carpet. Curtain is cloth you hang at a window. Curtains keep out light or give privacy. Curtain. Let's practice. Curtain. Mirror is glass that shows your reflection. People use mirrors when getting ready. Mirror. Say it with me. Mirror. Fridge is a cold box for keeping food fresh. Fridges are in kitchens. Fridge. Repeat after me. Fridge. Stove is used for cooking food. Stoves can be gas or electric. Stove. Say it clearly. Stove. Sink is a bowl with water taps. People wash hands or dishes in sinks. Sink. Let's repeat. Sink. Great work today. You now know 120 words in our basic 1000 English words journey. Look around your home and say the names of things you see in English. Example, the table is in the kitchen. The bed is in my room. Tell me in the comments, which room is your favorite in your house? Next time, we'll learn 20 more useful words. Keep practicing every day.